Hello everybody, it's Davey the Computer Guy here today, and I'm about to undergo on the biggest project I think I've ever gone on. Computer related anyway. So this is a very, very old 486 computer. The only problem with it is the fact that it doesn't work. The motherboard is dead, it's been dead since I've got it, and there's nothing I can do to repair it, no matter how much I try. So the plan is, gut it, and then replace the whole system with this lovely ATX board with an AMD Phenom 2 processor and make it into a reasonably good editing PC to go along with my regular PC because I need a second one for certain tasks. So the only problem with this is the fact that if we come back here, you will see there's not actually anywhere for the I/O to go. At least not a modern I/O. We do have PCI brackets, which is nice though. So, we're going to gut it, and then we're going to hopefully, after some work back here, fit a whole new system in it. Alright, let's go. Time-lapse style. Okay, so a bit of a progress update. The whole thing came apart very well, actually. Everything's out. The only thing that I'm noticing here, minus that, is the fact that we actually have these brackets which do come off. But if we just take the motherboard here for a minute, and provided that we're going to line it up with the PCI brackets, it needs to go not like that. We need it to move down a little bit. It needs to go right about there, which isn't working at the moment. Which means I'm probably going to have to put like feet on the bottom of it. I mean, like, apart from just drilling out that back part, I'm going to have to put like feet on the bottom of the case so that I can put standoffs through so that I can take these brackets out because they can't be there. So let me try taking the brackets out and then we'll try that again. I just realized something about this case that makes this even cooler than I was planning for it to be. So actually, if you can see here, the PCI brackets are riveted. So if I were to drill the rivets out, we would have holes there for screws. And then if I drill through to put in standoffs, I should actually be able to make an open air test bench. And I think that would be really cool. So if we have some standoffs like close to the edge so that the ports hang over, and then take the rivets out of these and bring them up here, then we can have that there. And being that this case came with this nice bracket that goes inside for the power supply, I think that could be really cool. So, I think that's what we're going to do. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, here is the final product. We have a Sound Blaster card and a GTS 250 here for graphics card and sound. CPU's in, RAM's in, and it's all cabled. Look at this. So I've reused the front panel. The power button, if you look on the old power supply here, from the original computer, is actually wired into the system. See, it's in this like little box that's wired to there. So I actually had to steal a power button off another case, and it sounds like it's fallen off, which it has. Let's just shove that back on. Maybe. There it is, it's back. We have the reset, power, reset. They're all wired up, along with the hard drive LED is actually wired as well. Yeah, the front panel is upside down, but it's okay. This actually worked out very well. I was able to use the front panel to hold the PCI cards in place. I was not expecting that to work out as well as it did. And the power supply is mounted in the regular spot that a power supply is supposed to be mounted. And everything's kind of wired under there. So yeah, now the only thing to do is for me to clean all this junk up and hook this thing up and see if it runs. Alright, it's hooked up in its new home and ready to roll. So, without further ado, unfortunately the system, well, especially the graphics card, is rather loud, which hopefully can be fixed at some point. But as you can see, it does boot. You're going to just F1 to run setup because I don't actually have... Oh, wrong keyboard. Let's just make sure both our drives are detected. Yeah, it sees it's SATA 2 instead of 4, but that's okay. Alright, so basically I'm going to get Windows on these and then we're going to be good to go. Apparently there's already some version of Windows on there, but we don't want it booting into that right now. I'm just going to shut it down. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and get ready for more awesome content in the future. Bye.